You know what Maya is? It's a national something in the Philippines. Very good. Okay, so how many ducks did you find? Three. Only three. Okay. How about you? What's your name?
Jerlyn.
And how many ducks?
Excuse me.
10. Oh, dami ng ducks. 10. Okay. How about, what's your name, baby?
Dylan.
And Dylan, how many ducks do you have? 7.
7.
Wow. How about you, baby? What's your name?
Oh, yes. Risha.
Oh, sige. What's your name? Ikaw sumasagot eh. Huwag ko nung tinatanong. What's your name? Kilala ko siyempre. Kisha. Kisha, how many ducks do you have? Ako talagang pinag-count. Oo, umana to sa mga magulang. Ang magulang nito kilala ko din. Si Grace at saka si... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! Yay! How about you? 9? Nasa rin? Pasensya. Okay, hindi ako... Best in science ako, hindi ako best in math. Okay, now, what's your name?
Lucas.
And how many ducks do you have?
10.
Where? Oh,
With the two sisters.
okay, so 10. 10. You? And how many? 4. Kahit nakikita ko na alam ko, tinatanong ko lang para alam ko na marunong silang magbilang. Oo. Okay, so how you have 10 and then Dylan, no, Luca, yes, and 10 too.
11.
Ito naman, tumayo ka nga dyan, birthday mo. Do you have an, yeah, oo nga, mukhang duck nga. Okay, so, we have 2 winners, Celine.
Yes.
Yes. And you can keep your ducks. Oo, put that on your bathtub. Okay? Congratulations. But I think silang lahat bibigyan. I think all of you is going to win something. Something where you can put your ducks. And your parents will love it.
Rose. Hi, Rose.
Kasi Trader Joe's siya. Di ba? Na-excite ka ang mga magulang, di ba? Yes? Oh, parents! How do you feel? Ayan. Tapos akong MC, wala ako niyan. Ano ba yan? Bebenta ko pa naman yan ng 15,000. Okay. Congratulations, kids! Isa pa. Ay, nakakaloka, Trader Joe. Parang feeling ko gusto niyong magkaroon na nito. Parang feeling ko lahat kayo gusto magkaroon no kasi pahirapan mo makabili na ito sa Trader Joe's. By the way, I'm selling Trader Joe's, but the minimum that you can buy from me is 5.